The path to success begins with a single step, and today, that step is applying for this scholarship. So don't hesitate. Click the link in the description, start your application, and take control of your future. Today, I have something incredibly exciting for you. An opportunity to study at one of the most prestigious universities in the United States, and guess what? It's fully funded. That's right. I'm talking about the University of Maryland Scholarship. This scholarship is a life-changing opportunity for anyone who dreams of pursuing a world-class education in the United States, but is held back by financial constraints. Imagine not only having your tuition covered, but also living expenses, health insurance, and even travel costs, all taken care of. This video is packed with all the details you need: eligibility, benefits, the step-by-step application process, and the official application link. So, stay tuned until the end because you don't want to miss a single detail. Hello, my wonderful Dreams Abroad media family. Welcome back to the channel that brings you the most incredible, life-changing opportunities from all around the globe. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join our growing global community of dreamers and achievers. And to all my returning viewers, your continued love and support mean the world to me. Thank you for being part of this journey. Today, I have something truly special for you. Imagine studying at one of the most prestigious universities in the United States with all your expenses covered. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, this dream can become your reality with the University of Maryland fully funded scholarship. This opportunity is for ambitious, hardworking, and talented students who want to unlock their potential, gain world-class education, and make their mark on the world. So, grab a cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive deep into everything you need to know about this incredible scholarship. Who can apply, what the benefits are, the step-by-step application process, and of course, the application link to get started. About the University of Maryland Scholarship. The University of Maryland is one of the leading universities in the United States, known for its commitment to academic excellence, diversity, and innovation. The University of Maryland Scholarship 2025 is a fully funded program designed to support international students who want to pursue higher education in the USA. What makes this scholarship special? It covers tuition fees, accommodation, meals, health insurance, and even travel expenses. It provides access to cutting-edge facilities, including world-class research labs and libraries. Scholars get the opportunity to connect with global networks and leaders in their respective fields. Whether you're interested in engineering, business, arts, sciences, or technology, this scholarship opens doors to endless possibilities. Benefits of the scholarship. Here's why the University of Maryland Scholarship is a game-changer. Full financial coverage. You don't have to worry about tuition fees, living expenses, or travel costs. Everything is taken care of. World-class education. Gain access to top-notch faculty, resources, and research opportunities. Cultural exposure. Meet students from around the world and experience the vibrant campus life in the USA. Career opportunities. Build your professional network and boost your career with a degree from a globally recognized institution. Eligibility criteria. Are you wondering if you qualify? Let's break it down. Academic excellence. Applicants must have an excellent academic record. A GPA of 3.0 or higher is often required. International students. This scholarship is open to students from all countries outside the USA. Field of study. Open to students in various disciplines, including STEM, business, arts, and social sciences. Step-by-step application process. Here's how you can apply for the University of Maryland Scholarship. 1. Visit the official website. Start by visiting the scholarship page on the University of Maryland's official website. 2. Choose your program. Browse through the list of available programs and select the one that aligns with your career goals. 3. Prepare your documents. You'll need academic transcripts and certificates, a strong statement of purpose, SOP, explaining why you're applying and how the scholarship will help you achieve your goals. 2 or 3 letters of recommendation from professors or mentors, a well-crafted CV or resume. 4. Complete the online application form. Fill in all the required details accurately. Upload your documents in the specified format. 5. Submit your application. Double-check everything before hitting the submit button. Keep an eye on your email for updates on your application status. 6. Prepare for interviews. Shortlisted candidates might be invited for an online interview or additional assessments. Application deadline. The application deadline for the University of Maryland Scholarship 2025 is expected to be February 15, 2025. Make sure to apply as early as possible to avoid last-minute hassles. My dear Dreams Abroad Media family, the University of Maryland Fully Funded Scholarship 2025 is more than just a financial opportunity. It's a gateway to a brighter future, a chance to pursue your dreams, and a stepping stone to success. Don't let self-doubt or fear hold you back. You are capable, you are talented, and this is your chance to shine on the global stage. So, take that first step. Click the application link in the description below, prepare your documents, and submit your application. The world is waiting for your brilliance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Dreams Abroad Media for more life-changing opportunities. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step. Make this scholarship your step toward greatness. Until next time, stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep chasing your dreams. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.